Hello, design lovers, and welcome back. Today, we are analyzing a truly spectacular house plan that perfectly blends modern design with a rustic barn aesthetic. We're looking at a 1,950 square foot, two-story home that is packed with incredible features, including a stunning vaulted ceiling that you have to see to believe. As we explore these plans, remember that if you fall in love with this design, you can find a link in the video description or comments to visit our website for full details, purchase options, and building rights. Let's dive in. Starting with the main level, you can see how the design centers around a massive open-concept living, kitchen, and dining area. The defining feature here is the dramatic vaulted ceiling that soars over the living room, creating an incredible sense of volume and space. The kitchen is designed for functionality, with a large island, perfect for casual meals or entertaining. A huge plus for many is the first-floor master suite, which is tucked away for privacy and features a walk-in closet and a full bath. This layout is fantastic for single-level living, and look at that connection to the outdoors. You have a large deck on one side and a wonderful screened-in porch on the back, which is ideal for enjoying the fresh air bug-free, a feature that's especially popular in the southern and midwestern US. Moving up to the second floor, the design continues to impress with its flexibility. You arrive at a large loft space that is open to the living room below, allowing you to appreciate that vaulted ceiling from a whole new perspective. This loft is incredibly versatile. It could be a fantastic home office, a media room, or easily converted into a third bedroom. Also on this level is a second spacious bedroom with its own walk-in closet and a full bathroom right next door. There's even a charming private balcony accessed from this floor, providing another lovely outdoor retreat. Finally, let's look at the plan for the detached carport. This structure provides covered parking for one vehicle and is designed to perfectly complement the architectural style of the main house. It's a simple, practical solution that keeps the main house facade clean and uncluttered. Now, let's analyze the exterior imagery. The modern barn aesthetic is executed beautifully here. We see a few different siding options, from dark, moody vertical board and batten to a crisp white, and even a natural wood finish. The standing seam metal roof is a key element that enhances the modern farmhouse feel and offers great durability. The use of natural wood accents on the porch columns and pergolas adds warmth, while stone veneer on some versions grounds the home. The extensive decking and the screened porch are clearly visible, emphasizing the indoor-outdoor lifestyle this plan promotes. This home would look absolutely stunning on a scenic lot, whether it's in a rural setting, near a lake, or nestled in the mountains. Looking at the interior concepts, you can get a real sense of the bright and airy atmosphere. The high ceilings and abundance of large windows flood the spaces with natural light. The finishes shown are modern and clean, with light wood floors and crisp white walls that let the architecture speak for itself. The kitchen is sleek, with minimalist cabinetry and open shelving. You can also see the exposed wood beams in the loft area, which add a wonderful touch of rustic character and warmth to the upper level. Let's summarize the key takeaways from this plan. The biggest positives are undoubtedly that incredible vaulted ceiling in the living room and the highly sought-after first-floor master suite. The flexible loft space upstairs is a huge bonus that can adapt to your changing needs. The emphasis on outdoor living with multiple decks and a screened porch is phenomenal. The modern barn style is also a major selling point. On the other hand, it's worth noting that this plan features a detached carport rather than an attached garage, which might not be for everyone. Also, while the loft can serve as a sleeping area, there are only 2 dedicated bedrooms on the plan. Overall, the design's strengths make it a compelling option for many lifestyles. This 1,950 square foot modern barn house is a brilliant example of how to combine style, function, and flexibility into a manageable footprint. It's perfect for anyone who loves open, airy spaces and a strong connection to the outdoors. If you can envision yourself living in this beautiful home, I highly recommend you click the link in the description or comments below. There, you can explore the full details, see more images, and find out how to purchase the plans to build your own dream home. Thanks for watching, and happy planning.